In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the map type on Zillow. Whether you're house hunting or just exploring neighborhoods from the comfort of your home, Zillow's map options offer a range of views and data overlays to suit your preferences. Let me walk you through the process. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Zillow's homepage. Once you're there, you might notice several tabs at the top, such as Buy, Rent, or Sell. For instance, you can select the Buy tab if you're considering purchasing a property. Once selected, you'll see a map on the right-hand side of the resulting page. This is where the magic happens. Click on the map to expand it. Once the map is open in a larger view, you'll have access to various map type options. Initially, you might find the map set to the automatic mode, which generally determines the view based on your context or previous interactions. If you're curious about housing in a picturesque manner, you can switch to the satellite view. This option provides an aerial view of the location, offering a more realistic and topographical perspective of the area. Furthermore, if you'd like to take a virtual stroll down the streets without leaving your seat, opting for the street view is a fantastic choice. This gives you a ground-level view and can be especially useful when assessing the neighborhood's look and feel. Beyond these visualization modes, Zillow provides insightful data regarding climate risks. You can explore categories like climate risks by selecting overlays for potential natural hazards. For instance, by choosing the flood option, you'll see highlighted areas that might be prone to flooding based on historical data and forecasts. Similarly, selecting air can reveal air quality indexes or pollution levels for the region you're inspecting. And it doesn't end there. Concerned about rising temperatures? The heat option shows areas that might experience extreme temperatures, which is an increasingly important consideration for many homebuyers. Lastly, you can check the wind option to see areas that might be subject to high winds or storm paths. By adjusting these settings, Zillow offers you a tailored look at any property or neighborhood, helping to make informed decisions that fit your personal or professional needs. These map options aren't just about changing aesthetics. They're tools to empower you with crucial information about environmental factors, helping you integrate this data into your decision-making process. And there you have it. Zillow's map feature explored and personalized to suit your exploratory needs. With these steps, you're now ready to dive deeper into any neighborhood with just a few clicks. Happy exploring, and may you find the perfect fit.